By now, you have created your own presentation with at least 4 slides about finding a job. You created one title slide, one slide with your ideas about finding a job in your area, a slide with your job goals and challenges, and at least one slide with tips about finding a job that meets one of your goals and challenges. In this video, you will share the job search information you found with others by importing your slides into a shared presentation. To do this, one person in your class will create the presentation and share it with the whole class. If you are the first person in your class to finish your slides, pause this video and watch the additional video linked on this page. This video will show you how to create the shared presentation. If you are unsure if you were the first to finish your presentation, check with your teacher. Once one person has shared the group presentation with the whole class, add it to your drive and open it at your own computer. From a new tab or window, open Google Drive. Then find the class job search guide in the files that others have shared with you. Click Share it with me and locate the file. If you can't find it, search Drive for Class Job Search Guide, or check with your colleagues to be sure someone has created the class presentation. Add the file to your drive so that it will be easily accessible. Right-click on the file and select Add to Drive. Then, double-click to open the file. Next, import your slides into the group presentation. In the class presentation, click in the thumbnail view to select a location for your slides. Others will be working in the group presentation at the same time, so you will see other people in your class inserting slides too. Then, select Import Slides. Select your job guide presentation. Then, select the specific slides you want to import. First, select the slide about finding tips in your local area. You can share your goals and challenge slides too. But remember, you are sharing these slides with everyone in your class. If there's personal information on any of your slides that you do not want to share with the class, do not import those slides. When you finish, select Import. Your slides now appear in the class presentation. Great work! As others in the class add their slides, read through the presentation to see the tips they found. Reflect on the information you read. Find one tip that you find useful for your own job search. Add a comment to the presentation to highlight the tip for others and to offer positive feedback. Click on a whole slide or a text box, or highlight a few words on the slide. Select Insert Comment. Then, leave a positive comment for the rest of your class. You can also add comments to ask more or to start a conversation. When you finish reading through the whole presentation, move on to the next video to wrap up this activity. Now, it's your turn. Add the group presentation to your Google Drive and open it at your own computer. Import your slides about finding a job in your area into the group presentation. You can import your goals and challenge slides too, if you like. Read the tips that others imported. And finally, add at least one comment on a tip you found particularly useful.